Hello everyone. Now in unit number 1 probability of become semester 6. Today we are going to learn some rules and important formulas for calculation of probability. First we discuss about two rules of probability. First rule is if two events occur simultaneously then take the product of two events. Okay, in short if and is given we have to take product of two events. And second rule is if options are given, then take addition of probability. In short, if or is given, we have to add probabilities of two events. Okay. In short, and equal to product and or equal to addition. Okay. Now important formulas. See, there are total 14 or 15 formulas, but first five formulas are regarding permutation and combination. So let me explain first formula number one. Formula number one is NCR equal to n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay. See, n equal to total number of observations and r equal to number of observations we are selecting from n. Okay. If see if tan C3 is given, we have to take n is equals to 10 and r is equals to 3. Okay. So tan C3 equal to n, sorry, here not r factorial, n factorial. N factorial means 10 factorial divided by r factorial is equals to 3 factorial upon n minus r means 10 minus 3 factorial. So it is equals to 10 factorial into 10 factorial 0 sorry, n factorial we can write n factorial is equals to 1 into 2 into 3 till n numbers. Okay, till n numbers. As well as we can write 5 factorial as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hence, 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. I am writing here 7 factorial because 10 minus 3 factorial is equals to 7 factorial. So 3 factorial is equals to 3 into 2 into 1 into 10 minus 3 is equals to 7 factorial. 7 factorial, 7 factorial. But 3 threes are 9, 2 fours are 12. 4 threes are 12 and 12 tens are 120. See, our answer of 10C3 is equals to 120. But see, it is a quite lengthy and tedious method. So here we are using shortcut method. For example, 10C3 is given. We just have to write 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 threes are 9, 2 fours are 8. Our answer is 120. Okay. If 7C2 is given, then 7 into 6 divided by 2 into 1, our answer is 21. Okay. 5C2 is given, our answer is 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1, 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10. Our answer is 10. तो आपने shortcut method में use कर शो. Okay. Remaining formulas are shortcut. चलो तो यहाँ पर explain कर दिए. Our next formula order કદાચ આડાવડો થઈ જશે. Number 2 is NC NC1 equal to NC n minus 1 is equals to always n. For example, 7C1 is given, answer is 7, 8C1 is given, answer is 8, 9C1 is given, answer is 9, as well as NCn minus 1 is also 9. For example, 7C6 is given, answer is 7, 8C7 is given, answer is 8, 5C4 is given, answer is 5. Okay, તો આ બંને ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ રાખવા જેવી છે, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે, શોર્ટકટમાં આપણને ઈઝી પડશે. નેક્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ NCn is equals to NC0, it is equals to always 1. For example, 7C7 is given, our answer is 1. 8C8 is given, our answer is 1. 3C3 is given, our answer is 1. And NC0 means 5C0 equals to 1. Okay. So these are some shortcut of permutation, sorry, combination. Number 4, it is most important formula for shortcut NCR equal to NCN minus R. Okay. For example, 11C9 is given. Okay. If we calculate 11C9, it is quite lengthy calculation. Sorry, 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 4. Let me calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, here we have to put 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, divided by 9 factorial. 9 factorial means 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 are cancelled out. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 reju, but I am looking at here 5, 4, and 3 cancel out. Okay, so 2 fives are 10 and 11 fives are 55. Answer is 55. But it is again quite lengthy and tedious process. So use our formula NCR equal to NCN minus R. So 10C, sorry, 11C9. 11C9 can be written as 11C11 minus 9, and it is equals to 11C2. Now calculate 11C2. 11 into 10 divided by 2 into 1. Okay, 2 fives are 10, 11 fives are 55. So it is very easy to calculate 9C, 11C, 9. For example, 25C, 23 is given. It is impossible to calculate by using method or using calculator. But here, if we use our shortcut, we get 25C, 23 equal to 25C2. Okay, uh, 10C7 can be written as 10C3. Okay. 5C3 is always equals to 5C. Okay. And our last formula based on permutation number 5. Number 5 is NPR equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay. So if we want to arrange some things out of n things, then we have to apply permutation. Okay. For example, tan p2 is given. Instead of n, we have to put 10. It is 10 factorial, and n r equal to 2. N minus r equal to 10 minus 2 factorial. Okay. So 10 factorial divided by 8 factorial. It can be expanded as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial. 8 factorial, 8 factorial. Cancel out. 10 into 9 is equals to 90. So our answer is 90. Again, this is tedious process. So here we are using shortcut 10p2 equal to 10p2 equal to 10 into 9 equal to 90. Okay, if 5p2 is given, 5p3 is given, then 5 into 4 into 3 is equals to 4 threes are 12, 12 into 5 is 60. Okay, 7p2 is given, 7p2 means 7 into 6 is equals to 40. Okay, let me take some shortcut for permutation. Formula number આપણે નથી આપતા shortcut છે. npn is equals to n factorial, np1 is equals to always n, uh, and np0 equal to ચાલો આની કોઈ આપણે જરૂર નહીં પડે તો આ બે શોર્ટકટ તમે યાદ રાખજો. npn equal to n factorial and np1 equal to n. Okay, now this is formula for probability. P of A equal to m upon n. This is most important formula for this chapter. P of A equal to m upon n. Okay. See here, m is favorable outcomes. M is equals to favorable outcomes, and n is equals to total number of outcomes. And remember that m is always lies between 0 and 1. Okay, actually, આપણે equal to no મૂક્યો ચાલે, but 0 is less than equal to m is less than equal to n. And most important thing, the probability of any event is always lies between 0 and 1. If P of A equal to 0, that means it is impossible. possible event, and if P of A equal to 1, that means it is certain event. Okay, our next formula is 7 number. P of U equal to 1, where U is a certain event. Probability of any certain event is always equals to 1, and P of phi equals to 0, where phi is impossible event. Means probability of any impossible event is equals to always 0. And remember that total of both certain event and impossible events is equals to always 0. So we can write that P of A equal to 1 minus P of A prime, or P of A prime equal to 1 minus P of A. Okay. This is also known as complementary event. A prime is known as complementary event, means probability of not happening of event A. Then my addition rule of probability for two events and for three events. P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus A intersection B. And another rule for two events, if A and B are two mutually exclusive events. Remember, in mutually exclusive event, always A intersection B equal to phi, and probability of phi is equals to always 0. So P of A intersection B equal to P of A plus P of B, A intersection B. Everything got there because A intersection B equal to 0 in mutually exclusive event. Okay, now for three events, P of A union B union C equal to A plus B plus C minus A intersection B, B intersection C minus A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. And same rule for three events. If A, B, and C are three mutually exclusive events, the formula is A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C, because all intersection events are zero when A, B, and C are mutually exclusive events. Okay. Now 10 number is conditional probability. See the conditional. Event A occur under the condition that A has already occurred. Means our first event is A. Okay. Event B occur under the condition that A already occur is denoted by P of B given A, and formula is P of A intersection B upon P of A, and another formula is event A occur under the condition that B has already occurred is denoted by P of A given B, and it is equals to A intersection B upon P of B. Okay, next rule number 11 or formula number 11 is multiplication rule or product rule. A intersection B equal to P of A given B into P of B. ચાલો અહીંયા આપણે આને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવી દઈએ A intersection B. A P of A ની સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો શું થઈ જાય P of સોરી અહીંયા લઈએ A intersection B ને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીએ તો P of A given B into P of B. This is our first formula. અને સેકન્ડમાં આપણે કોને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીએ અગેન P of A intersection B. તો શું થશે B given A into P of A, B given A into P of A. Okay, these two rules are of product rule. But if A and B are two independent events, then P of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. This rule can also be used here in addition rule of probability if A and B are two independent events. તો અહીંયા પણ આપણે A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B લઈ શકીએ. Okay. Now, if A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, then P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B equal to 1, because in a mutually exclusive event, always P of A intersection B is equals to phi, and it is equals to 0. And P of, sorry, and P of A union B equal to P of U. P of U is equals to always 1. So that's why here we are putting 1. And the next rule is if A, B, and C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events for three events. This is the same rule P of A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus equal to 1. Okay, now rule number 13, rule of difference events. Okay, P of A minus B equal to P of A in A intersection B prime. That means event A, only event A happen, B does not happen, is represented by P of A minus A intersection B. And same as P of B minus A equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. And these are some shortcuts. It is called De Morgan's law. It is De Morgan's law. P of A prime union B prime equal to A intersection B prime equal to 1 minus P of A intersection B. P of A prime intersection B prime equal to P of A union B whole prime equal to 1 minus P of A union B. And also this rule for three events A union B union C equal to 1 minus P of A prime intersection B prime intersection C prime equal to 1 minus P of A prime into P of B prime into P of C prime. Okay. So these are some rules and formulas for probability, and it is necessary for calculation of sums. Sum solve કરવા માટે આ બહુ important છે. Okay, so bye everyone, we will meet in next lecture.